Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. We are doing a cosplay today. It is Halloween. Getting ready for a stream-a-thon on Twitch. So go check that out after you watch this video. We'll be playing some Dead by Daylight.
No, that one by the hook you were. Does he see you?
I'm almost there! Run! Oh, damn it! I watched a couple tutorials. I think I have a basic idea what I need to do. We'll be starting with some face paint, and I will get a image of Geralt of Rivia ready. I already have the shirt, the hair, might put white in it. Okay, there we go. He has a scar coming over the left eye, and then a little zinger right there. So I think what we'll do to begin is we're gonna start with like a dark, this is a dark red, kind of a maroon dark color. So first we're gonna start over the right eye and just kind of make that tiny little gash. I could just hold this up a little bit. That might help a little. All right. Slightly thick, but not too bad. Just gonna rub it down a little and blend it into the skin slightly. This is what we're using next. This is called Rigid Collodion. And some people say this might damage your face or skin or whatnot. There's a proper thing to use to take it off, but you can, what it does is it dries your skin and it kind of pulls your skin together. Okay, so we're just gonna start with that, let it dry. We might put on another coat. So next is scar, kind of goes straight down and kind of curves slightly once it's on his cheekbone. Far up. It's pretty far. It's pretty much all the way up here. Not too terrible. It's a little thick on top. See if I can fix that a little bit. I ain't talking to you, Patches. You don't know what I'm doing. What is this stuff on your face? You guys want to meet him? Come here, buddy. Alright, come here. This is Patches, the furry cat. Such a good boy, aren't you? See if I could do it left-handed. All right, good enough for now. Put more of the rigid Collodion. I forgot the name already. I don't know. Collodion. Nickelodeon. That's an easy way to remember it. Now, I hope I don't drop this shit in my eye. So I'm gonna do the bottom one first, just in case. And I'm gonna do the top very carefully. All right, how's that looking? Pretty fresh. Pretty fresh. I can feel it already starting to kind of pull my skin. And I'm gonna put more on the main scar on the left side, just to really sell the effect. It's cool, and it's kind of weird when it starts drying on your face. It already feels weird. Now we're going with like a lighter color pink to show different different gradients of red and skin agitation and blood and stuff. So I'll just gently start applying some of this. Alright, that one came on a little sloppy. We'll clean it up. Okay, I'm going to put a little touch of one more color in there. Just orange, and then we'll go over it once more. Do a little bit of smoothing and touch-ups. We'll see. So this one looks, from what I can tell on camera, way bigger than it looks in my mirror. I'm afraid of rubbing too much off, but every time I look in the monitor, it looks huge. Change my mind. Last thing we're going to do is run down the center with the deep red again, just to really sell the deep cut. Try to, at least. Alright, we're getting closer. We're making progress. Other side. I think I'll do another layer of the rigid collodion. Okay, as that's drying, I'm gonna go see if I can find some powder. See if we can blend this in a little bit better. And this is the finished product. The hair, see, I'm looking at my monitor as we speak. It's not as white as it looks in real life. And I know the lighting's weird. The capturing device on here is like auto, so that's why my face looks probably really red. Probably a bit more red than it really is. I don't know how close up it'll have in focus or not. Maybe see it slightly in the tips of my beard and such. Anyway, this is it. I'm Geralt. Go watch my games, my highlights, my playthroughs, my Let's Plays. Connect with me on Discord. We play some Dead by Daylight. Stay fun.